Hi, I'm Christian Frederiksen, Project Manager.
I'm Chet Buxton, Director of Design Quality.
Thornton Wilson, I'm in charge of document control.
And I'm Jonathan Cortez, the Programming Engineer, and this is Group 43's Project Update.
As for document control, all meeting times, milestones, discussion of how the app should work, and overall progress were documented so far. After the submission of the charter document and stakeholder template, we held weekly meetings to maintain progress. Each meeting had an overall purpose for that week. Our overall theme is designing and making available mobile application. It will provide easy access to oil and gas prices, drilling rig count data, a glossary of oil field terms and acronyms, charts and references, a unit converter, and a calculator for a range of back-of-the-envelope equations. On September 23rd, we started data compiling and formatting, starting with a list of RSS URLs. On September 30th, we continued our data formatting with a list of equations that converted to PNG files and making pictures of the charts of the app. On October 5th, we inputted a list of oilfield glossary terms, which will continue to grow over the semester. The largest risk we have documented is the time factor of being able to completely input all the needed coding for the app. And so far, we stayed on track by using the charter document as a solid guideline.
Our design is a whole new way for petroleum engineers to interact with technology and utilize vital information. It all starts with our logo. The purple reflects our proud educational background, and its title, Petroleum Guru, is both eye-catching and points to our goal of a single all-knowing app. The design itself is both simple and elegant. It allows you to flow in and out smoothly through each category. Each detail was thoroughly thought through so as to avoid any confusion the user might encounter. This is an example, the highlighted bar, which allows the user to identify what information he or she has selected. Each category follows a uniform color scheme and overall theme. The navigation through the app is seamless yet intuitive.
Welcome to a tour of our app, Petroleum Guru. When a user first opens our app, they see this page with our logo and a message telling them to slide to begin. The user can slide to the right to reveal the main menu, which holds the different sections of our app. This action teaches the user that on every page they can slide to the right in this same motion to reveal this same main menu and go to a different part of our app. We're going to start with a tour of what we've done so far with spot prices. The user can select spot prices to reveal the crude oil prices on the WTI and Brent markets and natural gas on the NYMEX market. By selecting a different commodity, the user can display its graph for the day. The user can also switch to a 5-day view by selecting 5-day at the bottom, and then toggle through the different prices as well. The user also has the ability to use the refresh button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to refresh the prices and get the latest up to the second data. The user slides to the right and reveals the same main menu. We're going to select Industry News and opens this page. Along the top, we have a sliding bar that transitions the user from website to website, revealing the latest news from each website. So if the user wants to read an article from oilprice.com, we can see a list of their latest articles retrieved from their RSS feed. The titles of the articles are displayed, except for one at a time, a preview is displayed. By default, the first item in this list is selected and a preview is displayed. To select another item, the user can just click on the title and a preview is displayed. By clicking on this preview itself, the user can go to the full article. So we clicked on an article from oilprice.com. It loads. We can zoom in and scroll down and read this full article seamlessly all within this app. The user can then slide again to the right, go back to Industry News, and even go to another page. The scroll view scrolls to the top and the first item is selected. So the user then slides again to the right, the main menu is revealed, and the user can select on rig count. So this is the page that appears when the user selects rig count. It's pretty straightforward. There's United States, Canada, and International, and the data thereof. This is all pulled from Baker Hughes' website. It's parsed, so whenever they update their website, the app will automatically update itself. So we can see the rig count for United States, Canada, International, the change from last week, and it's changed from last year. We can then select any one of these items and display more details from this information. So first appears a bar graph with the breakdown of the rigs as far as oil, gas, and other, if that's applicable. We also have historical rig counts, so throughout the past 20-25 years or so. And we also have two other pages that we're working on. They're blank now, but they're going to have the state data and the basin data. And this information will also be available for Canada and International soon as well. So calculators, references, unit converter, glossary, and settings we're still working on, but down at the bottom the user can select LSU Craft & Hawkins Department of Petroleum Engineering, and they'll be taken to the Craft & Hawkins website with our latest news. So from this app, users from all around the world can access this LSU website and read our most up-to-date content.
The app will contain three main categories of information and calculations which have been decided upon in addition to the inclusion of unit conversion. These include drilling, log evaluation, and fluid separation calculations and information. Thus far, drilling information is set to include casing, drill pipe, drill bit, and tubing tables for quick reference. Certain features will be interactive, such as providing possible connection and bit sizes given a known starting point. The extent of calculations done in-app will be adjusted based upon time and programming constraints. Constants and information will be provided for assisting log evaluation. These will include element, matrix, and fluid properties such as electron and bulk density, photoelectric factor, shear and compressional velocity, and mass, among others. Basic calculators for log readings and different fluid lithology combinations will be available using calculators. Additional corrections for borehole and measurement environment will be added as possible. Basic fluid and separation calculations will be available for quick evaluation of reservoir and produced fluid compositions. This will allow quick calculation of reservoir performance and composition. A staple of the calculations available will be unit conversion with listed conversion factors between different sets of common oil field units, CGS, US field, and metric. Selection of a standard unit set will allow users working in different environments to quickly make calculations and conversions. Along with the provided information tables and calculators, lists of used and relevant equations will be available for individual calculations and dimensional analysis. This will provide the user the option to self-compute and personalize solutions. Additional links may be provided to supplement in-app information in the event that inclusion proves problematic or is decided unnecessary for the purposes of the app.
Thank you for watching our update presentation. If you have any questions, please email us at petroleumguru@gmail.com. Again, thank you.